Mahindra & Mahindra announced an additional investment at its Chakan plant in Maharashtra of 500 crore rupees for its electric vehicle project. This additional investment will be utilized towards product development and capacity enhancement for electric vehicles and related components. The investment for EV and EV components is in addition to its ongoing expansion plan in Chakan. Tata Motors pulled the wraps of the new Nexon Aero edition at the Auto Expo, and we saw it get different body kits, a range of design and styling elements along with a host of interior trim options. Tata will be offering 3 levels of Aero kit, with the price of the base level 1 kit starting from 30,610 rupees going all the way up to 61,574 rupees for the range-topping level 3 kit. Tata Motors is offering the Aero kit across all Nexon variants. Harley-Davidson India will introduce 3 new motorcycle models in the Softail range on February 28. While the company has not revealed any details of which new models will be launched, it's likely that it will be the Softail Slim, the Sport Glide and the Softail Lowrider. The Softail Cruiser lineup features an all-new chassis, new underseat hidden monoshock and the new 107 Milwaukee 8 V12 engine. Expect prices to start above 10 lakh rupees.
We test the very best from the automobile industry, sometimes the worst too, just for you. So all you need to do is watch our videos, subscribe to our channel now.